Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. The observant of you will notice something different on the property today, and it's not the turkeys. My old faithful truck broke its back, so I ended up getting this. Now I've had this a while, and Peeping Kenny and the gang, they know that, so I figured I might as well share it with you now. I did not share it because I didn't have it on the road. I just got back with new tires today, but it's a beauty. And it's in a lot better shape than the other one was. And I got this for $500 as well. I needed tires, but with a plow, and the plow works. Needs a little bit of touching up right here and over here a little bit, but that's a bonus. That's a good thing to have around the property, a good plow. That's repairable, replaceable, not bad. Other than that though, it's cleaner than the other. It's better than the other one. The other one still drives, it's just out of broken back. So I had to get something else. It's a GMC 1500 like the other, but it's got a bigger engine, 4-wheel drive, heavy duty beefy frame. So it's going to last longer, and it runs and drives beautiful. Everything works. It was from an old couple, and they used it on their property only as a snowplow truck in just their property, and now it's mine. So I'm going to do my best to maintain this. I'm going to stay off the dirt roads with this one, which I had no idea. When they said they brine the roads out here, I didn't realize it's oil and salt from the oil wells poured onto the roads to keep the dust down, and that oil holds the salt onto your vehicle and rots it. Yeah, so I won't be doing that anymore. I got the spare tires in the back. I'm going to take the two best and have them as spares. Two of them were very bad. That's why I didn't drive it and why I didn't tell you about it. Two of them were really, really bad, and so I just didn't trust it for anything at all. I wasn't going to do anything with this truck on those tires. But now we're good. We're brand new today. These are Solaris APs, and I read the reviews on Amazon. They're really, really good reviews. So we'll see how it works out for me. I do have the tailgate. It's just not on. The hinge is broken off the back on this side. I don't care. I'm probably going to run a net, which I was probably going to be doing with the other one anyway. With these old trucks, I'd rather not have the liability of tailgate flying off down the road one day. It's a shorter bed, extended cab. Michelle loves it because it has the extended cab, and she has a whole back seat to herself, and it's wider than some. So that's very nice. Anyway, I wanted to share this with you now because now that I've got it on the road, I'm going to take that plow off and save gas money, especially with the cost of gas right now. We've got it tied up from when I brought it home to keep the plow from sagging down the road. It has a tiny, tiny slow leak, so the plow slowly sags down, and you don't want that going down the highway. So I'm going to see about pulling this off, and I hope I can get it done myself here. I really hope it's not going to be a nightmare to do. So we'll see how that goes right now. There's a happy sight. There's a workhorse. That's a beast. Well, now I got a partial deer slayer on the front. That's what I call it around here, because those deer run out in front of you all the time. And I really want to have a brush guard though because of that fact, because they are terrible around here. But I do feel better with that on, at least for now. I feel better with the plow off. That took a load off the front of the truck. So there's our new truck. About the same miles as the other one had, just not as rusty. and I'm gonna oil it up and fix it up and see if I can keep this one longer. It's pretty, it's nice. Let's have a look inside. Not bad. I still got fluids that came with it to fix up. I might try to patch that. It's dirty. It was a work truck. It's dirty. I'm gonna fix that up and clean it, but it's not terrible. I've definitely seen worse. It's got a back seat for Michelle. She's got a whole back seat all to herself. Isn't that wonderful? The back is clean. Again, this was a work truck for a snowplow, so the back isn't bad. He had a dog, I can tell, so that's gonna have to be cleaned up. But the interior is pretty decent, considering its age. Just needs a lot of cleaning. Even the dash, get this paper out of there. Even the dash isn't broke up. Look at cup holders here. Oh, let me check this. Let me show you this. We got cup holders here, cell phone holder, glove box. Now check this out. 2 cup holders here. They really went all out in here. And I was like, okay, where's the cigarette lighter socket? Well, there it is, but there's another. There's another. That's awesome, because we use a lot of that. And then the ashtray is actually pitiful in comparison. That huge door, a tiny little ashtray. But pretty cool, because we always charge our stuff on the go. Being off-grid, I just always am using that on the go anyway, since we are on the go. Stereo works, CD I don't know, 4-wheel drive works. Pretty cool truck, really nice. Headliner isn't down in my face, so I'm liking it. Now I got the bed cleared out. Look, there's no holes. Little hole in the fender. I'm gonna have to clean that up and patch it. I'm gonna get all the junk out, keep it clean, keep it dry, so it doesn't rust through. But pretty surprising, consider its age. It's not rusted through. The other one was. I've put that on a pallet, so it's safe. I might even tarp it to keep the hoses out of the weather. But that's off the ground. That is, oh, that's a nice addition to the homestead. What do you think, guys? That is a really awesome addition to the homestead. Oh, wow. $500 for the works. And I knew what it needed, tires, and they fixed the brake line for me today too. I didn't know about that, but hey, we're good to go now. We are good to go. So that'll be good in winter. It'll save us money and stress and trouble, and could earn me money if I get comfortable with it. My first plow, I've had a plow truck, but it didn't come with the plow. It had the hoses and attachment and pump. Really easy. Pop 2 pins, pop 2 hoses, pull the chain off, you're done. I'm very happy how easy that went, and I won't be too lazy to hook it up again, which I was worried about. Something very impressive for its age is the bumper is not rusted out. This is very common for the old Chevys of this age, that the bumper is nothing but plastic holding it together. Now this is a couple years older than my other one. According to the owner's manual in the glove box. I have to double check the title. I'm confused. But the hitch is not rusted out. The hitch is heavy duty. Heavy duty. And I've got inserts for that already. So I'm ready to roll. No, that's really nice to know this isn't all rusted up. Very, very good. The hinge is gone, but I'm not going to use that anyway. I'm just going to put net in here. I think I said that. Well guys, please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. This is an exciting addition to the homestead. It's a beauty. Tell me what you think. Back to work. I can work again. My truck's been down a long time. Long time. Now we can get some serious work done around here again. Talk to y'all later.